Hello everyone! Today we will draw a picture of Japanese Tori using the Nagomi art method. This picture is very simple and it is suitable for everyone. You can finish it in 5 minutes. We will need a comb, a cutter, a brush, an eraser pen, a normal eraser, and an art gum eraser. We will use a piece of 15 by 15 white paper. First, we will use a piece of paper to define the sky and the sea. And the sea is about 7 cm. Second, we are gonna use the comb to make some wavy lines on the sea. You should hold your comb firmly. Third, paint the sea with blue pastel. Then, we have to use the art gum erasers to lighten the sea. You just need a small piece of gum. After that, we can use a darker blue pastel to draw the waves on the sea directly, like this. For the sky, we will use the light yellow pastel to draw the background. For the middle part, we will use light blue colors. On the top, we will use a darker blue. After the coloring, we can use a normal eraser to make some clouds. Then we can use an eraser pen to wrap some small clouds in the sky. After that, you can remove the paper. And we will use red and blue color to draw a Tori on the sea. Ta-da! Finished! Thank you for watching. Bye bye!